All right, good morning, everyone. It's Pajama Day, Spirit Day, so I'm in my jammies. Today I wanted to talk with you about your assignment. So Mr. Daniels and I would like for you to please compile all of your unit interactive notebooks into one semester one interactive notebook. Okay, what you're going to be doing is, I'll show you here in a minute how to copy them and move all of the slides into one location, and that way you have everything you need to study for your final exam. You guys are going to add these two slides to your Unit 1 digital notebook after the goal check-in page. All right, so this is your Unit 1 digital notebook. This is what it looked like. You probably put some stuff on the front cover. Okay, here is your Power Standards page. This is your goal. Right here, you're going to take these two slides. All right, so take a look. Click, press Control or Shift, it doesn't matter. Okay, hold on to it on your keyboard. Click the next slide. Right, then right-click, copy. Okay, then please go to Unit 1, Interactive Notebook, and then you are going to paste it. All right, when you paste it, it will go directly below, and you can click Do Not Link. It'll go directly below this slide. All right, so once it's there, okay, here's what you're going to be doing. You guys are going to copy and paste Units 2 through 5 notebook pages. Do not post the cover page and do not post the goal page from each unit, okay, from this point on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to list the slides that each unit begins and ends on in the boxes, okay, provided on these two slides. Okay, so let me give you an example. If we're looking at Unit 1 starts on slide 5 and it ends on slide number 21. All right, so what I would do is here in this box I would write slides 5 through 21, right? All right, so when we go through these, okay, you then are going to go through, okay, Unit 1, use the study guide to help you, right? Look at what we did in Unit 1. We learned about the Silk Road, we learned about Marco Polo, we learned about all of these world religions, and then of course down here at the bottom, we have some really good resources for you to help you review, okay, for the test, any questions over world religions. All right, so what we would like for you to do after you go through and kind of skim and look at what we learned in that unit, please write a summary, right? Summarize each unit in one paragraph in this box, right? So the first thing that you need in a good summary is a topic sentence, right? What is the unit about? Just tell us, right? In Unit 1, we studied da-da-da-da-da, right? Then make sure that you include 3 to 4 key concepts from the unit in your summary. A good summary should probably be 4 to 5 sentences long, right? And then add one final sentence, okay, to go back to your topic sentence, right? So like revisit the idea that you presented in the topic sentence. So total probably 5 to 6 sentences in this box, right? You may need to actually make this font smaller or larger, okay, whatever works for you. And then you're going to insert a picture to help you remember the unit here. It may be that it's something down here like Marco Polo, and you could just go ahead and, okay, grab images from down here, right? You could always go look it up online, okay, but you're going to put an image right here. Right, then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to, okay, classwork. And my recommendation is I will list the weeks that all of the interactive notebooks were posted, but this might actually be a good way of doing it as well. Go ahead and hit Control and hold it down, and then hit F, and then type in interactive, right, notebook. And then you'll see that there are 10 times that I posted something about an interactive notebook. Unit 1, right, was the very first one. Okay, so Unit 1 Interactive Notebook was posted September 27th. That's the one that you're going to go ahead and add slides to. If I go up here, okay, Interactive Notebook number 2. So I'll go ahead and open up Interactive Notebook number 2. Okay, this is for Unit 2, which was about the Middle Ages. I am not going to copy the first 2 slides, but I am going to copy slide 3 because that's our study guide. I'm going to click and press, okay, either Shift or Control, right, and then I'm going to select all of these slides. Right? Whoa, that was not my intention. Sorry, guys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and, okay, select all of these slides. Okay, and then once I have selected them all, go ahead and hit copy. Right, then go back to your Unit 1. Okay, click on the very last slide, and then go ahead and hit paste. All right, so all of your slides will then paste, so you have them all now, Unit 1 and 2 together. You'll notice that this is slide number 29, right, and it looks like it starts on, it looks like I may have lost a couple, okay, but it looks like it will start somewhere around, let's see here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here we go. Copy those. It looks like I lost them in the transfer. That was my fault. Go ahead and do not link. We'll hit paste. Do not link. All right, so when I go through these, right, the only thing that I was missing, it looks like, was, sorry guys, it's got a little wonky. That's what I get for using my mouse instead of the touchscreen. Okay. So what it will end up looking like is this, right? So probably slide number 22 all the way down to slide 30, okay, is Unit 2. So when I go back up to the table of contents, I'm going to type in, right, slide 22, right, to slide 30. Then I'm going to go through, skim Unit 2, figure out what we learned in that unit. I'm going to write a summary, again, about 4 to 5 sentences about the actual topics from the unit. Make sure your first sentence is just an introductory topic sentence, and then you're going to insert a photo or a picture, okay, over here to help you remember that unit. Right? Then you'll go back to Google Classroom. You'll find Interactive Notebook number 3, okay, which was posted on the week of November 2nd through the 6th, right? So you'll open up Interactive Notebook number 3. Again, when you copy these, start with the study guide page, right? And then copy and paste those into the Unit 1. When you are completely done, okay, with summarizing Units 1 through 5, right, then you are actually going to go ahead and write your favorite activity from Semester 1. Give us a little bit of feedback, okay? What activities or what things worked really well? Least favorite activity from Semester 1. What procedures would you keep for next semester? So is there something about the way that we are doing things in class, okay, that's working for you? Maybe the way that things are pushed out. Maybe it's that, you know, the helpful videos, or maybe there's not helpful videos, whatever it may be. And then what procedures would you get rid of? So these are totally your opinion. When you are finished, please take a screenshot of this slide. And again, guys, when you take a screenshot, do not take an entire page screenshot, because it's really hard to read what you write here. Okay, and if I can't grade it, if I can't read it, I can't grade it. All right, so instead hit Control, Shift, and the Windows key, and only select, okay, your actual slides. That is what you are going to submit. So you will submit slide 3 and slide 4. Okay, again, do not copy and submit those slides. I would actually like a screenshot, okay, in Google Classroom. All right, when you're totally finished with that, please use about 30 minutes to go through, okay, and study these. Go through Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Review, review, review. Maybe some of these are easier for you than others. Okay, there's also going to be a Quizlet posted. Review it tomorrow. If you're a B-Day kid, review it on Thursday. Right, and we are hoping that this is a good resource for you, right? So work on your Unit 5 study guide. That is due tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll post a little something about that tomorrow, but hopefully this explains today's assignment, and then also gives you an idea of how you can actually use this interactive notebook. All right, thanks guys. Email if you have questions.